Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending one stock that looks very sweet on the chart. And this video is based on technical analysis only, not based on fundamental analysis. So let's get started. And the stock is TRI, Thomson Reuters Corporation. And you can see that the chart looks very bullish. Yes, the stock is under the dominance of the buyers. Just look at the chart of the stock and you can easily tell that this chart is very bullish and the stock is in heavy uptrend. And the last traded price of the stock is 123.13. This is the last traded price, and right now you can see that on the daily time frame the stock is almost standing at the resistance level. So you might be thinking that the stock is almost at the resistance level, so there is a possibility that the stock may reverse also, is not it? Then I would like to show you the weekly chart. Even the weekly chart also looks very bullish and the stock is very tempting position. And this is the weekly chart. You can see that the stock is almost trading at the resistance level on the weekly chart as well. So the stock is standing at the resistance level on the daily chart as well as the weekly chart, and the stock is in heavy uptrend. So this kind of stock are very good for investment purpose, and this is one of the best opportunity to grab it. Okay. So go for buy order if the stock crosses the current market price. If the stock crosses the current market price easily, then you can easily go for buy order on Thomson Reuters Corporation.